Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach you a little bit more about changing your text and the style of the text using DreamWeaver. So what I have here is I have my index page open. I also have my properties window open, right? And you're going to notice in the properties window there's two little sub buttons, HTML and something called CSS. Now HTML is something you know about, little HTML tags. CSS is another little scripting language that sort of goes hand in hand with web pages, and it lets you really add specific styles to your text and a lot of other things. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a word like homepage, and I'm just going to select it there. And let's say I want to change the font and change the size. You're going to notice when you're in the HTML tab, you have options for format, but they're all about the headings. You'll notice I could make it bold, italic, right? Some simple changes like that. And you even have bullet points, numbered lists, etc. But to actually change the size of this text, you don't see it there. Well, that's because modern web pages do it using a little scripting language called CSS. So you have the CSS tab. You hit it, and now you're going to see a lot more options to change this word. For instance, the font. Let's change it to something like that one. And let's change the size of the font to 24. Let's change the color of the font to green. I just hit enter there to confirm it. And you're going to notice there's a few other options that you could set if you wanted. Let's make it bold. And that's the real fine tuning of your text, right? Using CSS. Now when I move the cursor off, there's my big green text. What code did it write? Now some of this code is going to look new, but it's going to make sense to you. The tag is span, and there you see it starts to do the style. There's the font, there's the font size, there's the color, there's the bold, and then it ends span afterwards. So if you ever have to go back and edit it, you're editing between the span tags if you have to. Of course, you could just double click the word and delete it right here in design view if you wanted. Okay, so that's one point about the HTML and the CSS tab here. Just because you don't see it, remember there is a second button right under there that gives you more options for your text. Not bad, right? There you go. There's how you edit some text.